Hello, viewers, welcome. We have question 15. Three men, P, Q, and R can finish a job in 18, 9, and 12 days respectively. If they work together, how many days will it take to finish the same job? Meaning now they are going to work one job. If it is just a job, how many days will it take all of them to finish that job? Now, if they are finishing in 18, 9, and 12 respectively. All right. There are various ways we can find this. We can deal with the rate at which each person is working. The rate at which each person is working when it comes to one job. We can do that and find the rate at which they'll finish one job and know the answer. Or I want to use the concept of the LCM, whereby if I am finishing a job in 18 days and this person is finishing the job in 9 days and 12 days, if we keep on working in the subsection of the 18, 36 in that order, there will be a time where all of us will have the same number of days that will be working. That is the concept of the LCM. So in finding the LCM of 18, 12, and 9, I think if I continue with 12, 24, 36, 9, 18, 27, 36. So we are going to have that to be equals to 36. That is the common LCM. And this LCM is referring to days. It means that in 36 days, all of us will be working as a common day. So I can label this as what? 36 days. Now, in these 36 days, what will be the number of work that each person will be doing? Because they are not doing the same work, because this person takes 18 days to make a work. So now if it is in double, it means 2 times. So that's 2 jobs. This person is going to be 18, that is 9, 18, 27, 36. How many jobs is that? That is going to be 4 jobs. So let's see the number of jobs that they all be doing in the 36 days. So in 36 days, P will work. P is the first person, right? So that will be 18. That will be work 36 divided by 18 jobs. Let me just say jobs. And that will translate to 2 jobs. Then Q, let me just say, will work in 36 divided by 12. So 36 divided by 12 jobs, which will give us, I think that will be 3, right? 3 jobs. Then the last person, R, will also imply 36 divided by 9. And that will be equals to, I guess, 4 jobs. So total work done, if it's the jobs, we can say total work done by all the 3 people is going to be 2 plus 3 plus 4 jobs, right? And that will be, this will be 7, so 9. So they have 9 jobs. Meaning in total of 9 jobs, they are doing that in 36 days. Total 9 jobs is done in what? 36 days. So we can say that if 9 jobs is finished in 36 days, we want to know the job done in 1 day, where all of them are working together. When they are not working together individually, working at their own rate, within 36 days, they'll be working a total of what? 9 jobs, right? So in this case, in 1 job, so if this equals to that, then 1 job will be done in what? How many days? Will it be less if they are all working together, putting their job together, and they are working in 36 days? That when it is 1 job, just a job, how many days? It will be less than the 36. So if less, more of the job divide. So 1 out of 9 times 36 days. And I think 9 can divide 36 4 times, and that gives us what? 4 days. It means in one job, if they have to do one job, just a job, they'll be taking what? 4 days to finish that job. Just a single job. Alright, so this is going to be option D. Remember in the beginning I mentioned that we can also use the concept of what? The rate of work. The rate at which each person is working that single job. That will be 1 out of 18, 1 out of 9, 1 out of 12. Then we add them together. So if that is done in 1, then we need to know what to be the total of it. We find an equation. That 1 divided by the answer you have is going to be 1 divided by that answer. One job by the rate. And you come back to get the same as what? 4 days being done for all of them working at the same rate. You can use the method I just mentioned about the rate of work and share your thoughts in the comment section for us to see we are all working together. Like the video, subscribe, and share.